Hello sir, myself Shaila. Today I am going to discussing about the project that is Reader for Blind using Raspberry Pi and OpenCV. Myself Shaila. My team members are Akshata Shetty, Prajwal K, Priyanka Jadhav. The contents of this project are introduction, literature survey, problem identification, objectives, methodology, system requirement, expected outcomes and reference. My part is introduction. We present a smart device that assists the visually impaired which actively and efficiently reads paper printed text. The proposed project uses the methodology of a camera based assistive device that can be used by people to read text document. In camera, different types of reading assistants have been designed specially for the visually impaired, but so far no existing reading assistant can read text from challenging patterns and backgrounds found on many commercial products. Many technologies have been developed for localizing text in images. This technique is of two types, rule based and learning based. In the digital world, reading a normal book remains as a big challenge for usually challenged people. This can be solved by converting the image or text into audio format, which is user friendly. This conversion can be done by extracting text from an image. This project has been built around Raspberry Pi process board. That is, in this way, Raspberry Pi based reader for blind helps a blind person to read a paper without the help of any human reader or without the help of a writing system. Optical character recognition or OCR is implemented in this project to recognize the character used for the detection and reading of document text in images to help the blind and visually impaired people. The main purpose of this project is to build a assisting the usually challenged people in reading Raspberry Pi based reader for the blind project. We have prepared a technique to extract text from typed documents, convert them into machine encoded text, create the text files, and then process them using digital image analysis, that is DIAO, to convert the text into audio output. High luminosity LED light can be built into the project to compensate for the bad lighting conditions. One of the biggest challenges faced by blind people is the inability to read. However, this problem can now be solved with the help of technology. The image processing algorithm can be further developed and upgraded so that a wide variety of fonts can be recognized. Our focus is on enhancing the capabilities of blind people by providing them a solution so that the information can be fed to them in the form of a speech signal. The Raspberry Pi based reader for the blind project has a simple and reasonably priced construction. It can be easily mass produced in order to help blind people. This project can also be implemented for the automatic detection of road signs, warning signs in other terms, to improve the blind navigation on larger scale. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is literature survey. T. Rubesh Kumar proposed reading is obviously essential in today's society. Printed text is everywhere in the form of reports, receipts, and bank statements. A big limitation is that it is very hard for blind users to find the position of the barcode and to correctly point the barcode reader at the barcode. Authors were proposed a camera based assistive text reading framework to help blind persons read text labels and product packaging from handheld objects in their daily lives. Next, Pooja Sharma proposed a blindness is a state of lacking the visual perception due to physiological or neurological factors. They designed and implemented simple, cheap, user friendly, and virtually to improve the mobility of both blind and visually impaired people in a specific area. In Pooja Sharma, they says that their work includes a wearable equipment consist of head hat, mini hand stick, and boot shoes to help the blind person to navigate alone safely and to avoid any obstacles that may be encountered, whether the fixed or mobile, to prevent any possible accident. The main component of this system is the ultrasonic sensor is used to scan a predefined area around blind by emitting reflecting waves. The reflected signals received from the barrier object or used inputs to Arduino microcontroller. Next, Anusha Bhargav proposed majority of the visually impaired use braille or reading document and books which are difficult to make and less readily available. Their aim was to study them image recognition technology with speech synthesis and to develop a cost effective user friendly image to speech conversion system with help of Raspberry Pi. A braille is used in a everyday communication and as a literal blind or usually impaired individual independence is given. Braille brings sight to the usually impaired and blind. Apart from the Braille books and documents, Braille can be used for Braille labels. Next, Shilpa Reddy proposed a system using Raspberry Pi model for scanning the images from the stereotypical forms such as the project small inbuilt camera that scans the text printed on the appear converts to the audio format using the synthesized voice for reading out the scanned text quickly translating books documents and other materials for daily living especially away from home or office. The Mallappa D proposed that this project presents smart device that assist the usually impaired which effectively and efficiently reads paper printed text. Many surveys have been done to ensure the existing future of the system for visually impaired. Difficulties comes from the fact that our cultured world and means of information exchange and design associated with the capabilities of spatial vision. The system is developed using computer vision and haptic technology. A smart assistive navigation system for blind and visually impaired individuals is designed and implemented to secure, safe, and low cost navigation. The next will be continued by Akshata Sethi. Thank you, sir.
My part comes to problem identification. That the beautiful gift that has given by the God to human beings is a vision. Vision allows people to perceive and understand the surrounding world. The state of lacking the visual perception due to physiological or neurological factors is called blindness. The lack of integration in the growth of the optic nerve or visual center of the eye represents partial blindness. The total blindness is the full absence of the visual light perception. Visually impaired people is can't able to read the book without another person. To access information in a text, a person needs to have vision. However, those who are deprived of vision can gather information using their hearing capability. The Braille system of reading documents and books requires more practice and time. Nowadays, computers are designed to interact by reading the books or documents. Synthesized voice is used to synthesized voice is used to read the content on the computers. We also have devices that scan the document and use the interfaced screen to allow the blind to sense the scanned documents on the screen either in relay or by using the shape of the letters itself. With the help of vibrating pegs, various phone applications are also developed to help in reading or helping the blind in other ways, but the system fails to perform the text to speech. And another problem is that developed application created by the computer source can read the document which has the higher font size and it doesn't have the capability to read the smaller size text. At navigating around the places, the biggest challenge for a blind person, especially the one with the complete loss of vision, is to navigate around places. That finding reading materials, arranging clothes, overly helpful and getting things of independence. In signs of visual vision problem in a student who hasn't been diagnosed with a visual impairment include: first one, constant eye rubbing or chronic eye redness. Second one, extreme light sensitivity. And third, squinting, closing one eye or misaligned eyes. Fourth one, poor focusing or trouble following objects. And next comes to objectives. Scope or objectives. Objectives of the present work is to develop cost effective, simple and user friendly device. Raspberry Pi is a low cost credit card sized computer that plugs into computer monitor or TV and uses standard keyboard and mouse. There are two models of it, Raspberry Pi 2 and Raspberry Pi 3. These two are bit similar with few advanced features on Pi 3. Compared to the Raspberry Pi 2, it has and improve self-confident level of the user. In audio form, the Raspberry Pi has an onboard audio jack. The onboard audio is generated by a PWM output and is minimally filtered. A USB audio can greatly improve the sound quality and volume as the recognition process is completed. The character codes in the text file are processed using Raspberry Pi device. In run, the system improves self-confident without third-person interaction. In the reader, in this system, the printed text is to be placed under the camera view by the blind person to ensure the image of good quality and fewer distortion than an applicable blind assistive system. A text localization algorithm might prefer higher recall by sacrificing some precision and make the system capable to work without internet and graphical user. And next will be continued by Prajwal.
Hello everyone, myself Prajwal K. And the next topic is methodology. Here in the methodology, above we can see the block diagram. The input text is placed under the camera and camera is connected to the Raspberry Pi. Whatever the input text captured by the camera, it is displayed on the LCD through Raspberry Pi 3 board, and a 5-volt power also supplied to the Raspberry Pi port, and a speaker is connected to the Raspberry Pi through it may be a speaker or Bluetooth speaker or maybe a earphone. Yeah, let's see. Figure 1 indicates the above figure indicates the diagram of proposed work. In this system, the printed text is to be placed under the camera viewed by the blind person to ensure image of good quality and fewer distortions, and between the two words the proper distance and an equal distance should be maintained for every words. When the application starts, at first it checks the availability of all the devices and also for the connection. The LCD displays the status of the image clicked from the camera, and the Raspberry has integrated peripheral devices like USB, IDC, Bluetooth and serial. Raspberry Pi 3B uses Linux-based operating system named Raspbian. Next, Raspberry Pi. The framework of proposed project is the Raspberry Pi board. The Raspberry Pi is a single board computer which has 4 USB ports, an Ethernet port for internet connection, 40 GPIO pins for input and output, CSI camera interface, HDMI port, and DSI display interface, SoC, LAN controller, SD card, or it is also called audio jack, and RCA video socket and 5 volts micro USB connector. Working principle, how it does work. The capture button is clicked. We have a button which is a capture button. When the capture button is clicked, the system captures the document image placed in front of the camera. Whatever the input text that is placed in the front of the camera, under the camera, it will capture the image which is connected to ARM controller through USB. USB that is in a ARM controller is the Raspberry Pi. After selecting the process button, the capture document image undergoes optical character recognition OCR technology. OCR technology allows the conversion of scan images of printed text or symbols into text or information that can be understood or edited using computer programming. It is the OCR technology, which is converted into computer programming or a edited form, which should be understood by the computer. In this system, for OCR technology, we are using Tesseract library. The library it is called as a Tesseract, that is TESSERACT. Tesseract library. Using text to speech library, the data will be converted to audio. Camera acts as a main vision to detecting the image of the placed documents. Then image is processed internally and separates label from image by using OpenCV library, and finally identifies the next, which is pronounced through voice. Now the converted text into audio output is listened either by connecting headset. It can be headphones. That headset is the headphones, or you can listen by a speaker which is connected Bluetooth by Bluetooth. Next, hardware implementation. Raspberry Pi. It is a very low cost credit card sized. Size is a credit card size computer that it is like a small mini computer that plugs into computer monitor or a TV, uses standard keyboard and mouse. There are two models of it. There are two models, that is the Raspberry Pi 2 and Raspberry Pi 3. These two are bit similar with a few advanced features on Pi 3 compared to Raspberry Pi. It has a 1.2 GHz 64-bit quad core on V8 CPU, 802.11 and wireless LAN, Bluetooth 4.1, Bluetooth low energy. It has 4 USB ports and a 40 GPIO pins, that is input and output pins. Full HDMI port, Ethernet port, that is internet port, combined 3.mm audio jack, that is and composite video, camera interface at CSI, display interface DSI, micro SD card slot and video core for 3D graphics core. This is all about the hardware implementation. And about the Raspberry Pi, this is Muriel small single board computer developed in the United Kingdom. It's normally developed in the United Kingdom. Now, the Raspberry Pi is a hardware evolved through several versions that features variations in the type of the central processing unit, the amount of memory capacity, working support, and peripheral device support. Next, hardware software implementation. Software implementation. Operating system is a Raspberry. Language is a Python 2.7 version. Platform, it is a Tesseract. It is an to say it is a library or the platform. Tesseract or OpenCV. Tesseract is a platform. Library is a OCR engine, TTS engine. The operating system under which the proposed project is executed is Raspbian, which is derived from the Debian operating system. The algorithms are written using the Python language, which is a script language. The functions in algorithm are called from OpenCV library. OpenCV, an open source computer version library which is written under C and C++ and runs under Linux, Windows, and Mac OS X. OpenCV was designed for computational efficiency and with a strong focus on real-time applications. OpenCV is written in the optimized C and can take advantage of multi-core processes. This is all about the history. and how it works. And next will be continued by Priyanka.
Hi, myself Priyanka Jadhav. I am going to explain about flow of processes. First, we will see the image capturing. In this, the first step is in the one in which the document is placed under the camera and the camera captures an image of the placed document. The quality of the image captured will be high so as to have fast and clear recognition due to high resolution camera. Next, we will see pre-processing. The pre-processing stage consists of three steps that are skew correction, linearization, and noise removal. The captured image is checked for skewing. There are possibilities of the image getting skewed with either left or right orientation. Here, the image is first brightened and binarized. Here is a schematic of flow process. First, the image is scanned, then enhanced image, character segmentation, character database, feature extraction, image to text conversion, and last is speech synthesis. The function for skew detection checks for an angle of orientation between plus or minus 15 degrees, and if detected, then a simple image rotation is carried out till the lines match with the true horizontal axis, which produces a skew corrected image. The noise introduced during capturing or due to the poor quality of the page has to be cleared before further processing. Next, we will see image to text converter. The ASCII value of the recognized character are processed by Raspberry Pi board. Here, each of the character is matched with its corresponding template and saved as normalized text transcription. This transcription is further delivered to the audio output. Next, we will see text to speech converter. The scope of this module is initiated with the conclusion of descending module of character recognition. The module performs the task of conversion of the transformed text to audible form. The Raspberry Pi has an onboard audio jack. The onboard audio is generated by a pulse width modulation output and is minimally filtered. A USB audio card can greatly improve the sound quality and volume. As the recognition process is completed, the character codes in the text file are processed using Raspberry Pi device on which recognize a character using Tesseract algorithm and Python programming. The audio output listens. Next, we will see the expected outcomes. First point is text will be extracted from the image and converted to audio. Recognition both capital as well as small letter, and it recognizes the numbers as well. Range of reading distance expected 35 to 45 centimeter. Character font size expected between 18 to 24 pt. Can also be implemented for the automatic detection of road signs, warning signs, in other terms to improve the blind navigation on larger scale. Can also be used for elderly parent with eyesight issues such as muscular degeneration, but can be used more broadly for anyone wanting printed text translated into audio speech. Next, we will see the references. T. Rubesh Kumar, C. Purnima, Assistive System for Product Level Detection with Voice Output for Blind Users, International Journal of Research in Engineering and Advanced Technology 2014, Pooja Sharma, Mrs. Shima, SL, and Dr. Chitterjee, Design of Microcontroller Based Virtual Eye for the Blind, International Journal of Scientific Research Engineering and Technology 2014. Anusha Bhargav, Karthik Vinath, Pratish Sachdev, and Manil Shemal, Reading Assistive for the Visual Impaired, International Journal of Current Engineering and Technology 2015. Miss Shilpa Reddy, Monica S. K. Pooja K. Shahan and Text to Speech for the Visually Impaired, International Research Journal of Computer Science. Next is Mr. Aarti Panekkar Smart Shopping Assistance Label Reading System with voice output for blind using Raspberry Pi. Miss Anupama Pandey, Mr. Runal Patil, YTIET, University of Mumbai, International Journal of Advanced Research in Computer Engineering and Technologies. William A. Anisworth, a system for converting English text to speech IEEE translation on audio and electronics. Michael and MC Enhancy finger reader is audio reading gadget for index finger. Thank you.